Good evening, Mr. Jeff. How you doing, sir? My name is Courtney Richardson here at the Tameron Honda in Hoover, Alabama. Just sending a short video to you about the Chevy Malibu that you are interested in. This is the Premier Package 2.0 Turbo, loaded with features such as heated, ventilated seats, power seats, keyless entry. This car also has the panel roof and the regular sunroof, a remote start feature. Inside, you pick up your power seats. They are in leather, a ton of space. Touchscreen radio there, which I'm sure gives you the option for Apple CarPlay and or Android Auto. Great gas mileage, super clean. And as far as I can see, there are really no blemishes on this vehicle. So hopefully the video gives you a little bit better visual. But if you are interested and would like to take a little time to make the drive down and allow us the opportunity to put you in the Chevy Malibu, all you have to do is just give me a call at 205-261-8732. We're here at the Tameron Honda in Hoover. We do business one way. That's the right way. And you're absolutely going to love the way you're treated. Thank you for your time and have a great day.